Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you also want to earn money from YouTube, today I will tell you how you can generate videos using AI and earn money by uploading them on YouTube. This tool is completely free and very easy to use. But first, I would like to request you all to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So let's start with our video for today. First, you need to go to this website and click on Create a Video. After that, click on Sign in with Google. Once you sign in, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will receive 100 fuels, which are completely free. Now click on Get Started. On this page, you will get these three options. With the Search option, you can choose from any of the pre-generated images to generate your video. With this Create option, you can create your own image. In the third one, you can upload an image from your computer and convert it into a video. Let's start with the first option. Click on Search. Then write a prompt here. Choose from these pre-generated images and click on Make Video. It will take a few seconds to generate your video. You can download it from here. Let's try our second option. Here, you will enter your prompt to generate the image and click on Generate Image. It will take a few minutes to create your image. Click here. Here, you will find some customization options that you can set according to your preference. Now click on Make Video. It will take a few seconds to generate your video. From here, you can download your video. Now let's try generating the video using another method. Click on Upload to upload your image. Then click on Generate Video. Wait for a few seconds. Now we will click on the download button to download it. So friends, in this way, you can create many videos on any niche and upload them to YouTube to start earning. Please let me know how you liked today's video in the comments, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial video. Until then, goodbye.